Hello my people, this one a short video we want to do. This one concerning the civil war. Something happened. So one of our own no fit locating people again. This one the type of work we will do. We don't need to be paid to do this. Waiting happen be say this person they try to locate in family. Make I read as then take past the message. You say, I am Victoria Ugoji from Sierra Leone. My late father, Philip Ugoji, fled the Biafra War in Nigeria and moved to Sierra Leone with his uncle when he was only 11 years old. His uncle, who brought him to Sierra Leone, later became a lecturer at the Foray Bay College, University of Sierra Leone. His uncle returned to Nigeria after the war but left my dad behind. He married my mom and they gave birth to two of us, myself and my brother Victor. My dad unfortunately died when I was only 14 years old. My mom did not know much about him, so I couldn't get more information about his family in Nigeria. The only information I got from Nigeria is a postcode of the school he attended, as he used to send letters to his brother. Some names of his siblings were Roland and Ebere Ugoji. I would really appreciate if you can help me find my dad's family, as I know no one from my paternal side. Thank you and God bless you. So this is what we received today, and we said, what is our work now? Now to share them, make other people see them. If you feel help this girl, this lady, locate her family, it will be nice. There is nothing like not knowing where you're from. Yes, they want to trace back where they are from, and it's very important. And this is an Igbo channel. Our work now this kind of thing. I want to tell you now, say we they also advertise your product. If you record 30 seconds of your video, send to us. We go help on share them here. Send to us 30 seconds of your product. We go share them here. You know what you do now? Spread information. Make sure you are an Igbo person. Na Igbo things we they do here. They couldn't see mata on afunan. If I basalaga, oweji we Sierra Leone, omuwa mana onwuru. Nde be chole ma ebe ha si. Omu chole ma ebe ha si anaghị adịkwana mma. Onwe ka esinye aka n'ife gbasala ọkwa biko nyela ha aka. Eto kan si madewe gbasala nka ntị ka mgbasakwana ya. Dịka isi ekwu, onwe afia gị chọrọ igosi ebe a 30 seconds anyị nwekwara ike inye gị aka gosi ya. Iwere phone gị see shop gị etu ọ dị, kwugasị efe chọrọ ikwu ife n'azụ. Anyị na-etinye n'oge afia. Anyị nwere oge afia anyị etinye. Nekwa ife nwanne anyị n'azụ, itinye ma nọmba gị everything ife chọrọ nekwa ife n'azụ. I record 30 seconds. Kwu ife chọrọ ikwu anyị etinyere gị ebe a. For now, ọ ya dịka free. Kịta ọ ya dịgasị ka free. Anyị ga na go n'ọdịnihu obele ngwanụ gbasa n'ozi ya. Bye bye no.